Confused about which documents you need to prove your relationship for an immigration case? Today we answer the most frequently asked questions about essential relationship evidence. Learn what documents matter most and how to strengthen your case for a successful immigration process. Welcome to Direct U.S. Immigration's channel, where you get direct access to our most up-to-date immigration and global mobility space. I'm an immigration attorney with almost a decade's worth of experience, and today we're here to answer your questions. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Miatrai Brown, and I'm a U.S. immigration attorney based in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. I'm also the principal attorney at Direct U.S. Immigration, where we work with clients in all 50 states and around the world. Before we start, click on the like and subscribe button to follow our Immigration Hub to get the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case. And also, be sure to stick around until the end to get a bonus tip about the documents you can provide. Now let's get right into it. So why are relationship documents necessary in an immigration case? So relationship documents are crucial to prove the legitimacy of your relationship with a family member, such as a spouse or a child, which might allow them to immigrate or stay in the U.S. This helps immigration authorities verify that the relationship is genuine and complies with immigration laws. What types of relationships require proof in an immigration case? So proof is generally required for relationships involving spouses, children, parents, or sometimes extended family members, depending on the type of immigration benefit being sought. How can I prove my relationship in an immigration case? So commonly accepted documents can include marriage certificates, birth certificates, joint financial statements, evidence of living together, and affidavits from family and friends attesting to your relationship. It's vital to provide documents that are both credible and effectively demonstrate your relationship. What happens if my relationship documents are missing or incomplete? So if required relationship documents are missing or incomplete, your immigration application might be delayed or denied. It's important to gather as much documentation as possible and consult with an attorney if there are gaps or missing documents. What are the specific documents needed for proving a marital relationship for immigration purposes? So for proving a marital relationship, you need a valid marriage certificate and photographs of your wedding and life together. Additional items can be joint bank account statements, joint lease or property documents, and any other records that show shared life and finances. How can I prove the relationship with my child for immigration purposes? To prove their relationship with your child, you should submit their birth certificate showing both parents' names or legal documents relating to the adoption. Should documents be translated into English? Yes. If any documents are not in English, they must be accompanied by a certified translation to be considered in an immigration case, though exceptions do apply at the embassy or consulate. How should documents be submitted in a case? So documents should be organized clearly and submitted along with any necessary forms or applications to the relevant immigration agency. To avoid delays, carefully follow the directions, as different form types may require fees and method of delivery may alter the location in which the form must be filed at. Now, what if I need to submit additional documents after my initial application? So you can often submit additional documents if needed, but it's important to be mindful of submission deadlines and procedures to ensure they are considered. Generally speaking, USCIS does not prefer to receive additional documents unless they specifically request it. How can I get assistance if I encounter difficulties with documentation? So if you face challenges, consulting with an experienced immigration attorney can provide guidance on how to properly collect, complete, and submit necessary documents. They can assist you in understanding document requirements and help address any obstacles. Now, we recently worked with an immigration client who was applying for a marriage-based green card. He was from Pakistan and his spouse was a U.S. citizen, and navigating the process can be challenging, especially when it comes to gathering the right documents to prove the authenticity of their relationship. And from the start, we guided them through the process, helping them understand exactly what evidence would strengthen their application. We recommended key documents like joint bank statements, shared lease agreements, and photos from various stages of the relationship. We also advised them to include affidavits from family and friends who could attest to their genuine bond. With our guidance, they were able to build a solid application that showcased the true nature of their relationship. As a result, their case was approved, bringing them one step closer to building their life together in the U.S. The story shows how understanding the right documents can make all the difference in the green card process. Now, as promised, here's some bonus information that you may not know about. So it can be helpful to include affidavits from friends and family who can vouch for the authenticity of your relationship. While photos, joint bank accounts, and lease agreements are important, affidavits can add a personal touch that can strengthen your case by showing how others perceive your relationship. So make sure these statements are detailed and come from people who know you well, as they can help provide a fuller picture to immigration officials. So thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to check out the caption below this video. We've got questionnaires for different types of visas so that we can help you determine which visa is most appropriate for you. And if you're traveling soon, we also have a list of some of my travel favorites. So I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe if this content or information helps you in any way. Comment below if you want me to talk about something in specific, and share this resource widely because you never know who needs answers to these questions. Lastly, if you have any specific questions about this video as they pertain to your unique circumstances, please schedule a consultation with us, also at the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.